The person who invented this technology is a real genius. Seabin was invented by two Australians to solve the problem of marine pollution. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary bucket, but it can filter more than 25,000 liters of water per hour and automatically collect garbage in the sea. Its working principle is simple. The drainage holes on the Seabin will generate suction when the water is pumped out, sucking the surrounding marine garbage and water into the fiber bag inside the bucket. When the bag is almost full, it can be easily taken out. Seabin can collect plastic microfibers ranging from large bottles to as small as 2 millimeters, and can also remove oil pollution produced by ships. One Seabin can clean up about 6 pounds of garbage every day. Imagine how clean our environment would become if thousands of Seabins worked on the coastline at the same time. Do you think this invention is a good tool for cleaning up marine garbage?